welcome back. So today we're going to fix bang bang crabs. So this is a very easy, simple recipe. So for this recipe, all you need is crab legs, whether you can use snow crabs, blue crabs, dungeons, whatever crab legs you prefer. You're also going to need mayo, and you're going to need sriracha sauce, and you're going to need sweet chili sauce and parsley for garnishing. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to steam our crab legs, which you're only going to steam them to about 5 to 8 minutes, because they already pre-cooked already. So I'm using snow crabs, by the way. So I'm just gonna place them in my pot with my water and my butter, and place the top on it, and I'm going to set these on the back eye right there. I can cook them on the front eye. So I'm gonna set these on my front eye, and I'm gonna turn it on high, and we're gonna allow those to steam. But while those are steaming, you're going to take another pot, and you're going to turn your eye on really low, because you just want your bang bang sauce to be warm when your crab legs get done. So I'm going to add my mayo, because I don't have that many crab legs, because I'm the only one who eats this in my house. Don't nobody else prepare it, so I'm not using as much mayo that I normally would if I was fixing it for my whole family. So I added my mayo. I added my sweet chili sauce and sriracha, and the sriracha sauce, that's hot, so you add that according to your taste. And all you want to do is mix it up really well. Make sure all the ingredients is combined and warm. So once all those is combined and warm, I'll be back. Check on our crab legs. They are steaming really well. Check on our bang bang sauce. It's cooking really well. It's done now. So the only thing I'm going to do now is turn it off and add some fresh parsley. You stir that in. We're going to give our crab legs another 2 or 3 minutes, and then we're going to add our bang bang sauce. Now that our crab legs has steamed, all we're going to do is add our bang bang sauce. If you want to place the top on it, place the top on it, toss it around, get it coated really good. That looks amazing. Okay, this smells amazing. Yes. That's it. That's all you do. Simple and easy. And if you want, you can just garnish it with a little bit more parsley on it if you like that, just to give it a little bit of color. And there you have it. Bang bang crab legs. hope you guys enjoyed this recipe of my Bang Bang crab legs. This was a very easy and simple recipe. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you go and subscribe so that you won't miss a upload. I have videos uploaded every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Make sure your bell's on. Also comment on this video, like this video down below. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.